Welcome back to another episode of the BARRA Shorty build. This time we're going to be finishing off the suspension as well as putting the body back onto the chassis. So let's get right into it. Continuing on from last episode, the next step is to weld together the mounts and bracing for the front hydro bump stops and bolt them to the chassis. With the hydro bump stop mounts all welded together, it is time to cut the original shock tower bolts off so that longer ones can be fitted in order to compensate for the added thickness of the bracing. And then it's time to give everything a fresh coat of paint. With the front hydro bump stops and shock towers installed, there's only a few things left to do before it's time to ship the chassis back to Perfection Automotive to reattach the body. Next we're going to install the steering damper and then bolt some temporary wheels on. Before we took the chassis back to Perfection Automotive, we made sure the underside of the body was clean and free of mud, so we pressure washed it and gave it a fresh coat of paint. Alright, so we're finally ready to put the chassis back on the body. We've got the chassis all nice and shiny, all done up, ready to go. So now we're just going to drop it back on. We've got all brand new body mounts as well. We've even painted the brake lines and all that stuff gold to go with the gold and black theme. So it's all happening.
Purchase your tracks today.
Unfortunately, that's the end of this episode. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys next time.